let's say you are talking about getting started with energy saver, right? In this, mm, let me add one more section. Say, one more section. And yeah, inside section, now you can do title, right? Let's say video overview, right? Video overview for energy save. And let me give it ID too, so you know, energy saver dash video overview, right? Have some pattern, right? When you create content, that will help you navigate, find, filter. So in my case, I give product name and then the section title. So similarly, inside the section, let's add a p tag, and you can embed a video, uh, right? So I uploaded a video to video section. You can do it from DAM, or what you can do is you come here. Strange. Let me refresh. There should be a video here. Oh yeah, there is a video. So I upload a video here, right? So you can do this, upload assets, choose files, and do it, and upload, right? Let me overwrite. It's simple. You upload directly here, or you can, if you prefer DAM, you can say view in assets UI. Any folder from this repository view, you can try and locate it inside assets. So this is where it is. You can upload from here as well. If you have multiple, you prefer drag and drop, anything that you want to do, you can do it from here as well. Okay. So I uploaded a sample video. Now here, let's say I want to embed my video here. If you click this, you have multiple options, right? Audio file, video file. Since I uploaded my video, let me do that. So in my source resources under videos, I have a sample video. Click select, right? It has the icon. You obviously cannot see it rendered. Some media types, it will render in the author view. In some media types, it won't be able to. It's still evolving. But if you preview, then it will show. Okay. You can see and play. It uses the Adobe default player. But majority of the companies, they don't like hosting videos because videos are heavy. You have to worry about rendering. You need to have a player for it. It becomes messy. So majority of the times, what companies do is use YouTube or Vimeo. If it is a public video, then companies prefer YouTube. If you want to keep some videos private, then they prefer Vimeo, right? Um, Okay, so in this case, we have this video and it has a default width and height. You can unlock it and also change the width and height. But with videos, be careful. You might pixelate it and break it. So always get a higher resolution video and then try to resize it down, but not a lower one, and go higher. Okay. In this case, I'm not changing anything. And also with, like with anything, you can give an ID if you want to this one. Energy saver overview video, right? If you plan to reuse it. If you do not plan to reuse it, then you don't have to give ID for individual elements. Any questions?
Rakesh, is it possible to add custom placeholder for the image for the video?
Custom placeholder what?
By default, can I show one image? When you click on an image, it will play the video.
Oh, thumbnail, right? Okay, okay. If you
Yes,
want to have a thumbnail, so not here, right? Here it does not allow. But if you do it on YouTube, right? Let's cover the YouTube part. Wait, it's showing an error. line 30, column 80, attribute value missing. Okay. So let me go line 30. Oh, since I edited it out, it's okay. I tried to, I unlocked it and I did not give a value, right? That's why it was throwing the error. Okay. So now let's say you embed. So, Anbu, when you create content, right, you are an AEM content creator, so you may have a custom video component, right? In that video component, an AEM component, you select your video source, and then you might have a container, right, to add a thumbnail image. So the video could have one image, but you may want to customize it with a different image, right? Like if
Yes.
you,
Yeah,
yes,
that
right?
is right.
That happens outside because here you're only worrying about source, right? In this case, let's say you gave an ID, right? That's why I gave an ID. You can configure at the ID level and at the site generation level when you have a video component, or you could do this. So you could have a CSS class, output class, and say uh, video, I don't know, some CSS, right? Upload, whatever it is that you want to call it, and then configure the thumbnail over there. You have to use a combination of video and then the ID, and then manage it there. I'll see if there are other best practices. Uh, if you have the video here, like on DAM, right? Or another way to do it is you come here and then um, in the properties of the video, this would be much better. You can upload your thumbnail, and then uh, in the component, make it use that thumbnail, right? You can always upload a thumbnail here at the source level. So your source carries the thumbnail. Still loading. Wait for it to complete, and then you can manage the metadata directly here. Ta, 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 ta. Advanced. Yeah, I have to see. Hold on. You should be able to add a thumbnail to an asset here. Somewhere in the properties. It should be able to allow there. Um, Strange. Maybe it's a damn customization. In our org, we do upload thumbnails to videos. Okay, I'll get back to you on that, but if you can upload, but ideally I would prefer to put it with the source, so um the output can get it from the source. And like I told, right, in with technical content AEM guides, you only worry about formatting, the structure of it, not the rendering part of it, the aesthetics part of it. Okay, aesthetics you have to cover it outside. Okay, I did something again. Line 30, column 104. Oh, ID,
ID seems to
right?
be black.
Yeah, yeah. Again, you can give and then use it a combination. Okay, let me go back. So we uploaded a video of type from DAM, right? Now, let's say you have a YouTube video. Yeah, this is very straightforward. You can go to YouTube. Okay.
There's a growing need for organizations to step up their game and provide more than traditional.
AEM guides. Let's say I want to embed this particular video, right? You just copy the video URL, come back to, that's why I hit tabs. Yeah, come back and upload your video, and it gets the YouTube thumbnail, right? whatever thumbnail the YouTube has. Another way to manage is if your social media team can upload the change the thumbnail, they can do it from here as well, right? So whatever it is, your thumbnail should be tied to the source. That way it's more controllable. Or if your source doesn't have it, then it's a different scenario. I'll also try to get an answer for that, the best practice. So either you do it here or the source file. So now I was able to embed a YouTube video, right? Same way, click save, preview, right? You have two videos from different sources.